this is Richard at Tameron Honda in Hoover. First and foremost, I want to thank you for your recent inquiry on our 2017 Honda Civic in that black crystal pearl. I can't wait to show you how amazing this car is. It's got Bluetooth, so you can pair your phone, make and receive phone calls hands-free. It's also got a backup camera. Every time you put the car in reverse, you get a visual of what's coming from behind. But there's a whole lot more I can't wait to show you. Give me a call, 205-541-2862, so I can pick out a time for you to come in, take it for a spin, make sure you love everything about it, and make this the easiest car buying experience possible. Again, I'm Richard at Tameron Honda in Hoover, 205-541-2862. I can promise you one thing, when you get to Tameron, you're gonna love the way you're treated.